You subscribe yet?
Hello?
On speaker.
Can I hear me?
Yeah, me hear. You're the on speaker.
Okay, are you want it?
No, yes. Yes.
Okay, alright. You know, say I want to family outing, me there invite you to come. We want to go somewhere with the family. We say, can forward?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Yeah, man, so we have one extra seat left, so we want you to come, but you can't carry these in a car. Only one seat and you can come in.
Me not think me can come. Cause if Dave can come with me, me not think he might go allow me to come. Me can go. So no can go and leave me.
Oh, really are going to me, those things. Eh? Alright, you are. We got us go. I'll let you, man. Because being foolish, being foolish is actually. And that is the reason why I'm not really too like Dave to them. I'll tell you so, you know, big man. Because you're telling me that you can't come, Dave can't come, you can't come.
Yeah, call me back on next time. Or when me see you, me will talk to you, yeah?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm tell you about your brother. Yes, I'm tell you about your family. Your family don't like me, you know. They don't like me. I'm gonna know what me do to them. You understand me? I say, it's like them I try to create one negative vibe. How them for a family trip, family outing, and I invite you alone. And I say, you can't come with me. Eh? Now me and you there together. You don't see me now? Yes, so why them ever say, Dave can't come. They only have one special seat. That makes sense? I'm gonna tell you this backside. They send me there so and you get certain phone call. Me not have to tell you so put it blinking phone on speaker. Don't see me now, you understand me I say?
Yes.
Why you just feel a waste star. Can't understand why. It's like me a fight so hard to create one vibe, one environment. And the damn people that's yo, hear me. When you stay far from my place, you know. Don't make them come on my place. It's just like how them now welcome me at them place. Me now welcome them at few place, which is my place. Tell me something. Me I thump you? Me I box you?
No, babe.
Eh?
Mm-mm.
So why make it them have it sound like say me I abuse you down your so. Like me just in a one zone of boy I don't know, it's just rough.
But you call me idiot and you say me a fool.
No, but if you act like an idiot and foolish sometimes, it's just a figure of speech. It's like me express myself in such a way if you make you understand say. And that you act like. Me not say you're an idiot. Me say you act like an idiot. It's different. You have to know the difference.
You did something stupid.
Yeah, because when you act stupid that time now, me I say act like a stupid. Don't forget the word act, A-C-T, before it change the whole frequency of the whole meaning. You understand? Right now, you are going stupid now. Because me tell yourself to give me something to eat and you're there so arguing. That's not stupid.
I did cheer out if I long time. Go and see.
That me I talk about. You see now, we don't establish say you forgot me food. Don't get so overwork. I know say me have to use me. Outside door. Don't see me, I never tell you something early this morning, don't see. Eh? Pass it back for the place. I tell you to wake me up early, you know. Today's a rough day, star. I'm gonna tell you some want to start out certain things early today. Come on, if you give me a contract. Don't see me now. Care back, come on, man. Everything packing, right?
Babes,
What?
I have no water in the here.
So what that means if you water then what?
I have no water for wash your clothes, man. And you never give me no money to buy soap, remember?
Alright, here we are going now. Some change up on the chest drawer, find it and sort it out. But if you water gone here, so you don't know what to do. Walk go a river and go sort out the clothes them. Look how close river there.
Me use the $1,000 already buy this.
Use this $1,000. You know use no you make some mix up, yo, don't see me now. Where you stay so youth?
You didn't give
Alright,
me
here we are going.
$1,000.
Yo, figure it out. You know how to forget the things them done. You do it already, do it again.
Yeah.
Organize yourself and find what you need to find and do it.
You know, but give me
Give you
money
what?
again.
No, I need this to start out my little business today. What?
So how me I go wash your clothes them without?
Me say figure it out.
Hello?
Absolutely.
Huh?
Say alright.
Yeah.
I see a place you live. I don't know look for me.
I same place me live, but me can't just come out for my own. Me have to ask.
You mean you have to ask?
He not let me out of my own. Me have to tell him, else I go problem and me no want the problem between me and him.
Oh. So you not miss me?
Eh?
You not miss me?
Yes, me miss my niece, but so me can't just do anything off of my own. Me have to ask first.
Oh, me soon call look for you, yeah?
You go come look for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Anyway, the phone are dead, so me have to go now, you hear?
Alright then.
Mm-hmm.
Man, them not give me the contracts there. Why them not give me the contract? Why them really create this animosity with this damn thing? So from time rain a fall, I know you kill my place. Rain fall all long on top. Look on the place, say place, look. What's the matter with you, lady? Eh? Only thing I have to do in that place is I just clean up a place, that's all. And you create a vibe like say you can't do it before me reach. No more come in. I'm going to take a sure as walk come in. If you walk come in, I'm going to fact, me not take a long blinking boat. I walk go straight in. Then if you know yourself. Yes, yo, you see people like you make life hard and complicated. Why you do that? Why you make me feel like some boy every day me feel concuss you and tell you what to do? Eh? You idiot? You fool or something? You stupid? You born out of what? Donkey?
Babes, why you see me and clean and you come in the shoes and rain they fall? You know see me and clean. You know much time I wipe out the place from morning and you come in with your shoes.
You hear yourself? I don't think you hear yourself. Yeah, you listen to the words I say? Rain fall from morning, you live in your place.
Rain fall from morning.
And
rain
what
fall this morning and stop. All no rain still a drizzle and you just step in the house with your shoes. You can't just take off your shoes.
Where's spot to take off my shoes? Eh? Look, most times if you buy the mat, you put yourself. You know I'm buying no mat. So what you expect will happen then? Eh?
You never give me no money if you buy no
What
mat.
you mean, woman, the money always under the place. What you talk about? Something wrong with you for you? You know like how you just act like you know sure. Your brain not work or something. Turn on your brain now. You lock off.
Alright.
What you mean say alright?
Just take up your shoes.
Are you fit take up your shoes? But not take up my backside shoes. Something like wrong with you. And hurry up and come start up my things them. Yes, sir?
Dulce! Wangs!
You frighten me so.
Come here, man. Come here. No, sir. I can't believe him here.
What?
No, sir. Come right here, sir. Come right here, sir. Dulce. What me tell you to work? I can't live with you, man. What?
Me did like your work, you know, but and you pay me good and everything. But to me get one work, I want ice cream parlor place. Right now me I work I want ice cream parlor place and me a manager there. And them pay me better than the pay where me used to get.
Yeah, but, oh, God, man. Boy, things like those, man, you just come to you all the time, man. You know, say you're a good worker. You want the best come there, you know. People can be replaced, but God no, me I think now myself say, boy, you're irreplaceable. I swear. You work hard, you come work on time, punctuality, everything. was good. Why
Thank
me I
you.
tell you, say, no man, me miss a good start. I want to say, man.
But that's why people stress when I go through and me home. All heap of things
No,
and me did afraid to explain and
we not
tell you what
live
me I
so
go
man.
through.
You come to where we talk, man, and whatever, man, and support, man. We lose a great worker, man. So, what you say there? You want ice cream place?
Yeah, one ice cream parlor place where I work
Which
and
part?
they give me manager. I'm up here.
I'm up here?
Yeah.
Which part exactly?
2nd Barnett Street. Before you catch a courts.
Ah,
Barnett Street this up.
oh, I said when I frequently, you know. Frequently there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, down at the barber shop, you know.
Oh, girl.
Yeah, man, so you what, you know. Me willing can stop by and support still.
No, you can't come there. So you see the boss that me have? He pay good enough, but he's strict so till
No, man.
he no want we care no friend or no family come and place because we get fired. Me no want get fired.
I joke here, man.
No, for true. I me no did it every day neither.
No, man, I support, you know, so.
No, you can't go there when me no did it. Just call me when you come and me tell you when to go there go support them. But me no want you come when me did it.
Me not get so, no,
No, if
anyway,
you come when me did it, I go problem.
We will leave it,
The man there, you know, me no, they love write up about people too much. Although me a manager, he watch everything. Me no want him feel say me a take out nothing from out time place give up.
No, man, no. Why am somebody that really think that?
No,
So,
he will think him, me know he say
that
I
somebody
me a
can't so
work.
narrow-minded?
Yes, he will think him, man.
I'm a boss, man, a basket. Anyway, put that aside. How dear?
He must sit me down there.
No, man, you know, me not like how you are responding. Me just ask you how it's Dave. What?
You don't want to ask about nobody else because you don't want me talk to nobody about him.
Yeah.
And you know what me and him fi have nothing. I'm afraid to go call back my name to him because he always tell me some word where every time he tell me them word they me feel uncomfortable but me not really want to tell him neither because maybe he and him are friends still.
Dulcie, how I go on?
Anytime you talk about him, my mindset change, you know, a different somebody. It's like everything gone, every memory, everything gone out of my head. I don't really can focus straight again because he shout off for me, he bully me. He make me feel intimidated by him and he might tell me some things and I call me name and I threaten me. You know, want me go with my family. Do not tell him, please, me I beg you.
So,
Don't tell him because
Dave.
Yeah.
What things don't really add up? Anyway, now give me number. Is that okay?
If you give me your number?
Yeah. You can call me?
You see if you give me your number, it works like how you want man if me like put in on my phone to save it. Maybe you mash up my phone and so and me can't make you know want me make no call unless you know who me they call, what time me they call, when me go call, where this one day, where me know him from and who this one be to me. Me can't all of them me have to explain. I'm nervous anytime he talk to me because he might do me things, he might tell me some things. I'm
Alright.
afraid.
Maybe leave it alone. Just forget about the number thing. But
Me have to go in now because I did go in the supermarket. He said me go buy something and me not get in there, so me have to go around there so go look. And maybe he might come.
Yeah, Yogi, you are one. This is the one for the fall farm up a bat. This is the one for down a Falmouth. Them people then give half of the money.
do what?
Yeah, then give half of the money. So don't feel safe.
Yo.
But they check the rest still for them name. I just check them. Well, as I can see everything there, so. You know what I mean? So just sort it out.
Me check them.
So which part my check over there?
You don't worry about that, that's it. You know, say you get that, man. At least. Make you lay there in front of you. Boy.
Alright.
Anyway. Boy. Congratulations, my boss, you know.
Hey, me congratulations. How are you going?
I mean, man. And I see Dulcie today, man. Book up in a Dulcie there, so. And Dulce, I tell me, say, boy, she have managed one ice cream store, you know, so.
What? Hold on. My Dulcimina you talk about?
Yeah,
Yo, what's the wrong Dulcimina you talk about? Because my Dulcimina don't work. You know, make my Dulcimina work. She work with me, she take care of me. She wash my clothes and take care of my stuff them. At the yard, cook and clean and all them something there. So when you talk about Dulcimina, I must somebody wrong you say. I talk about ice cream parlor. Which ice cream parlor? What you talk about, Yogi?
Hold on, man. Hold on. Something don't look right yourself.
Yeah, but you're trying to change the mood from business.
Hold on, man. No. I talk to her today. And she look a certain way. She look timid. As if she intimidated and whatever. Anytime I mention nothing and so forth, like she afraid. What I mean by she work on an ice cream place? What I mean by you know so she work there?
My Dulcimina, yo, come out of my business, brother. You see, when me come here for the business, just make the business be that business, not my business, which is my house business. How Dulcimina come for what's the matter with you? Francis stop work, or you and she win things?
Hold on there. Wait there.
You and Dulcimina win things?
Hold on, the boss. Hold on. Wait. Let me just come out of this thing. Hold on. Listen to me. Something fishy. Today I see her and she look a way. She look a certain way as if if I mention anything she draw on her. Let me ask her a question. You lick her? You abuse her?
Oh, that becomes your. But me not. What you talk about? What you talk about?
Look
me
here.
Me not do them things with my Dulcimina, but you need to come out of my business.
Me know that woman there for years.
And so what?
And me I tell her say she look a little different. Today, that me I tell her say boy something not right. And me feel say I do something to her, you know.
Me?
Yes. Because me I tell her say she the timidness of her. Look here.
You
know if you have physical abuse a woman, you know. You have a thing we call mental abuse in a virgin. So, me no idiot. Me older than you and me know when me I talk to that woman today, the fear when me see in her is not much physical, but you're doing some form of abuse. I tell her that. And me see it, me no idiot. When me mention nothing, she look left and right. Not even phone number she want to take. I know that woman for years. And that woman here was such a good worker. The woman punctual, she there on time. Everything. And that woman I leave this place. And right now, I put 2 and 2 because of you.
Listen to me. Listen, hear me out. I am not the kind of person to thump or abuse. That is not abuse. If you tell a woman about your feelings and how you like if she act like an idiot and you say you're acting like an idiot, that is what? Abuse? Is that abuse?
That is called mental abuse. And the way you're talking to me right now, it shows me a different side of you.
Yeah, because you're trying to get me off.
You see it right now like you're the idiot.
You see you? Yes, I try to style me.
And don't you listen to me. Hold on. Let me tell you something, Bridget. You see with you people like you, sit through you.
Sit through me.
And what you're doing here is nothing. Zin? This little account that you have here is nothing. Because I have other people out there waiting who can come in. And because of your woman, why you still here. And at the end of the day, I don't like how you talk to me. So you know what happened? Your thing is water pan up back in. I don't need your business. So you know what you do? Just take up your damn self and come out of my place.
You gotta leave your place.
Come out of my place.
And remember, see you can't find an ex-worker like me here.
Don't worry, man.
You?
They come in dime a dozen, man. Come out of my place, man.
You see you, Yogi?
Find yourself out, man.
Dulcimina.
Yes.
Stand there.
Alright, today, I don't know how to explain how the day I run for me so far, but guess what now? You're gonna have Vasa? You see Vasa today? Alright, good, so you confirm it. Vasa, I go tell me, say, me up here, I abuse you, and Vasa go run me out of fiend place. And make me know, say, you go down. Yeah, you invest in things as a matter of fact?
No.
When you work with Vasa, you invest in things?
No.
So what you go tell them, say, so what kind of thing you tell them today? What was the conversation? Because I don't want to jump to conclusion again.
He just asked me why I left the work. And I tell him, say, nothing, I just feel like I left, so I just left it.
That you tell him. So how am I attack me, I tell me, say me that dirty man and all them something about me abuse you, and me a this and me a that, and sitting. So if me no want argument, that means me abuse you? Eh? Answer my question and stop shaking that one like you know. If me no want argument, like how we don't argument right now, that means me abuse you? Eh? No, exactly. So why he may come across my room at time place and say he don't want to deal with a person like me who are mentally abused me woman and all them something there. But me feel so you're investing in something, you know. That's my biggest part about this whole situation. And you have to come clean and tell me, you invest when you do nothing? In touch you? Eh? In rub you down? In give you extra pay?
But when we did get my pay, I have to buy one water for him and I buy it.
As a matter of fact, give me this. Who tells you can name me so? Eh? You eat out the whole I snap them. Cup in the house. So make you throw drinks like this. Give me some man. No supermarket you see I got today. Eh? Eh?
Remember, say $1,000 you give me and you tell me to buy some dry goods and he couldn't buy nothing to cook.
You see, you're not listening to me talk to you. I tell you, do not buy no dry goods. Buy 2 pounds of rice. Buy as much meat as you can buy. Girl, hey, listen, man. Stop act like you're me hating this to me, you know.
So next time you're talking on my left ears all the while. Next time you're talking on my right ear.
Yeah! Why you stay so, man? You just feel, yo. Do to me now. You know, say me, I got in some serious problem. And based on how you react right now, you react like you go mad. You depressed or something? You stressed out?
My dream see you last night, yes.
Your dream see me last night? Mm-hmm. Your dream see
But you did that squeeze my neck in my sleep.
I tell you, I'm not that person. Because my mother, when I go through fear thing, my father used to give her a killer relic. So me not depend on something. I promise mother say I will never put my hand on a woman. You understand me? I say, but I am not the person who go act like say me not can talk to a woman and tell her I say she act certain way. You understand me? I say, but I will not put my hand on a woman. So all that dream no walk street, I must be one next week ago. But I know yes so. Check if your brother a strangling woman up in yard, that if you check. Cause I'm going to flipping perfect. Yo, go and deal with my food, man.
I never done tell about my dream.
Me know you not about the dream. And that me I tell you. Not one more word about dream. Go and go to start what me I start out.
Me not have nothing to cook.
Me say the things in there we're supposed to buy.
You subscribe yet?
So you see I go on now, big boss.
Boy, I tell you. I'm glad they contract me so quick still, you know, brethren. You know, I could have tell you by phone still, but I want to see, I want to talk to you. Then, when last you see your sister?
I was good look while I not see me, know what going.
You know, so what day I see her? And call her in and talk to her still, you know, brethren. And between me and you, I see a piece of timidness from the woman where he come like, say, boy, you know, back up right in the corner. Something right with her. I mean, I tell you, say, she's getting abused. And I must physically, you know, but me more feel I'm mental. You see that boy there, Dave? I have to run him from my place, you know. Because I'm me, the man, I deal with a certain way. When I say, how him I deal with me realize, I saw him deal with that and worse, shot woman. I know he can't run up on me, you know. I have to get rid of him, man. Right now, because mother to take in contract. But anyway, Bridget, I your sister, and me know her. Need to go check her, because I tell her, say, things not right. You're a big man. I know them things.
You know what, to tell you the truth, I kind of did suspect still, you know, but we never really have no full confirmation because after me talk to her a few times, maybe how she sound over the phone, but suspect something, but me more feel like I lick her still. You know what I'm saying? But now that you confirm my suspicions. Him and she have left. Me ensure so me talk to her and ensure she left him.
Look here, Regine, me no condone them kind of abuse. Especially when you know the person, you know. Because I know she, remember say she work with me and I work for how long, you know. I'm going to tell you, say, it's a total different, yo, Regine, the man sharp a man make all the sister mad out, you know. You have to go do something.
Alright, but thank you for telling me still. Thank you. I really appreciate. Say at least somebody else I see what me I see.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Take it up in hand, Regine. Me I warn you.
Alright, don't worry
Me I
yourself.
warn you.
Don't worry yourself. I mean make you know what I want.
Yes.
Alright.
More like some mental, maybe little physical, but serious thing,
Alright,
man.
don't
I
worry
don't want to
yourself.
see the woman that walk on the road mad. Because of how me see her estate. So
Alright,
just,
me deal with it, man.
yeah,
Come
man.
on, alright.
Yeah, man. All right, my boss. Deal with it here.
Boy, sis, we really have to go look for you, you know. Because a long time I don't see you and I realize, say, you move different in a way with me hardly I see you. I feel like something right. You're one person, you're always happy. You was an extrovert, now you turn an introvert. So if there's something you feel like you want to talk to me about, you can talk to me, man.
Me alright. Me alright, man.
You sure? Because trust me, you don't sound like you're alright, you don't look like you're alright. What really are going?
Me did have someone who want to tell you about. Dave said me not to tell nobody, else he might go do wicked things to me.
Hold on. You really mean to tell me, say, Dave a threaten you and you not say nothing to me?
Because the reason why I'm not telling no as my family is that anyway here back, he now go get rid of me, I get rid of everybody. My mother, my brother, everybody. And show me no want nothing happen to no.
Sis, listen to me.
No, tell nobody.
Listen to me, I tell you. No one had time to be abused by nobody and scared. You have to come out of this. You're my sister, and I now will sit by and allow nobody to take advantage of you.
But me love him. Yes, me love him still.
So you're trying to tell me, so you love him more than you love yourself?
Yeah.
Alright. You know what? I know exactly what I'm going to do. Everything good, man. But I tell him, say, tell me nothing, you know.
Me just see like a brother I come from where I saw. But when I make him see me, over where I come from?
Yes, babes.
What do you mean over where I come from? Me not tell you say me no want none of your dirty stinking family over here so. Eh? Them not like me, so what am I do here so? What they want with you? Eh? You idiot? Answer my question, you idiot hour. Why you don't get it? Don't make a dirty brother because him not like me and he talk bad about me 24/7. And you know that too. And since you start change and going like in a backside sense. Eh? Me come home now and expect for even come talk to you and tell you how my day go to work. And sitting, yeah, make your dirty brother come on my yard. Which part in sit down? You saying sit down?
Yes.
What you go do now? You go in the kitchen, you go get the soap, and you go wash out that side I see. Take out that sponge and go wash it. And that one you go deal with. Go and go deal with it. You know what your brother sent lick and linger in the house here. You understand me I said to you?
Yes, babes.
So we are slung for go on. Smell like him piss up himself or sitting.
Auntie Dulcie,
Uh-uh.
nothing alright?
No, give me. No, put it a ground because if we come cuss me, so me put it in hot a ground.
Look at she at the door. So you know me up.
Miss your man. A long time me not see you.
You know some miss a joke them and something.
Me can't just come so and me tell you from the day when me did the river the wash. So me can't just left so. Me have to tell him, Dave.
So me cannot tell him I'm
Me have
making
to,
sense.
me have to tell him cause Dave will quarrel for me.
The quarrel upon him back then.
If me ever open up my mouth and thump me in there, he said me no fi give him back answer. So and when him talk, me no fi talk.
Are your father?
Me fi always listen to him.
Are your father?
Me? And him act like him and my father, but I'm a man. And him take me for idiot. And I love him.
No, auntie, you don't know idiot. You mean and him take you for idiot you love him. You don't know idiot.
He always call me
You
idiot.
don't know idiot. I can call you no idiot.
So he call me enough time. He say me
He
a
no fi
idiot.
call you so. Tell him fi no call you so you don't know idiot.
Me can't say that. Me can't say that. Me can't tell him to no call me so. Because when him a talk to me, he say me fi shut up my mouth and listen. So me have to shut up my mouth. But me did tell your father.
How will my father say?
Means my brother say, him a go come down here and talk to him about it.
So me cannot take up a things the man can't live with me.
No, me can't come out.
You mean I can't
Because
come out?
me can't come out. When him a go at daytime, he mark the lock and say, "Henry, move from Teso." Me no problem when he come back. Me can't go out and he make me go shop, but when he in there, me can't go shop when he gone. And one place he send me go and he when he in there and he no come. And when you did call me, we go river. And he no give me no soap, you know.
If you dash them way in the river.
No, me can't dash away.
Anyways, daddy I try to call up on your phone, now what happened to your phone, he not get you.
You see, Fran, your father did call me and tell me, say, man, come look for me. He vex. And say me no fi make my brother call him. Neither me nor nobody fi him. Fi me brother no fi call. Especially me. He say me want a brother no fi call me. Take out the battery out of my phone and take
So
away
you
the
know
charger.
you put the battery? So me can go back for it and put in your phone and charge your phone.
Me not juggle it. You have to go now because as soon time for him come, and if he come and come see you, he will not quarrel when he see you, you know. But you see as you're gone.
Alright then, later. Take care of yourself, yeah?
You have to come back and look for me again, you hear?
Yeah, me I go come back, man.
And you have to carry sitting for me.
Alright.
And now give me make him see. Hide it out of the gate and me go take up you when he not look, you hear?
Alright, later.
Me love you, you hear? Dave. Dave. Kids.
What you wake me for? Eh? Yes, I look pap. You know how hard it was to fall asleep. Only if understand what I said to you.
I just want to talk to you.
Alright, do it fast.
My brother did say man come up here come check me. So I just make sure I tell you before you go come and then you start quarrel for me so I never tell you. So I make sure say you're aware of it. I don't want you crucify me. I'm tired of it now. I can't take it no more.
It's like the more I tell you something, I want your brother up here, the more you try to force him up here. What you want now? You can call you what you want. You can call upon phone. And me want come to?
He no want to talk to you. And me even come to my brother. But he say he want to talk to me private.
You want to talk to you private?
Yeah.
So you never dare which day there? When you want to come back again for? I want to him.
He never stay no long time. He just did come and turn back same time. So he never get to talk to me right away when he did want to talk to me.
Alright, I'm going to tell you what I want. This can't work out. That can't work out. I don't want him to come on me yard. Simple as that. Meet him somewhere on the road or something.
Me want to go look for my family then because family video at one time I see my family then and I did good on the one time and then the last time when my brother come check me for 2 minutes. He not even put a steak. I'm afraid of you.
You remember why you're there so with me? Eh? You don't realize say your people have always left in one situation. And the reason why you're there with me is because I believe in you. Then busy then on time for you. Me take you out of wish for you there and carry you come here and live with me.
No.
Listen to what me I say. And tell me I talk, don't do that. Me take you out of way. You come from and you're there so with me now. And because what? Me I try to tell you certain things what you say, you're unhappy? That you want to tell me? You happy or not happy? You're happy or you're not happy? You happy?
And on the video, I don't know the difference between happy and unhappy because unhappy or happy. I don't know them because you're not showing me them make me get to know when I'm unhappy or happy.
You know what I think you're ungrateful? I think you're more ungrateful more than anything else and you forget where you come from. You see ring for your finger? This a ringer? You know how much money I spend for that? Eh? How much money I spend for this? You remember that show? You remember the sacrifices and what I have with you? You're ungrateful, man. Make me feel like about me I lose my work because of you. But because you talk to the man and tell him.
You never finish pay for your ring. And my brother did finish pay for your balance because you couldn't manage to pay for it. You remember? And he come like me did hear him and tell me my niece say maybe he go take it back and sell it and give back for your part of money and then he will go back go buy back for me with free money alone.
You hear what you say? Never hear what you say. Your brother when borrow some money from me, I pay me back and pay for it. You never know the real story yet. You always hear peace and put fear, twist to everything. Why you stay so?
One can always say my family they don't love me. My sister Faith love me. My brother love me.
If he's in love, so if they love you, why you not call every day and check up on you or send some money give you? Eh? When you go through stuff and you want and me can't give it right away, and you call them then say they don't have it. You remember all these things? Eh? You're blank now. You're blank now.
Remember say you did send any money when my family them want send to me. I know if make them send in my name, if make them send in your name, so then they stop sending.
Yeah, because you lost your ID. You see everything add up. You lost your
My ID no last.
So where then? Show me. Show me where they now.
Left it on my brother yard.
I left your ID on your brother yard for what?
Because he say you will cut up here and now you cut up my ID.
Him say I use, say which one?
And me did tell my brother and then my brother tell me back. That's why he get to tell me. And me have to tell him because you did cut up my license. So me never want you damage it. My ID, so me give my brother the key.
Me never cut up a license. I cut one thing in one book. Me I cut out something I cut it by accident. You understand? And then you I go take it now, say because you lick good pan road with the car. Me I go me I cut up and like it always I put some story to some story. Those mean that you have to change your ways, you know. And alright, listen, I'm very tired. I want to go up the street and I have a busy day.
How me cannot give me nothing to eat from man?
Me figure some feed from man. I mean, woman.
You not give me no money if you go to shop go buy nothing to look about.
It's 600.
I want me must buy already.
Don't buy no dry goods. Don't buy no biscuit. Don't buy no potato chips. Don't buy no plantain chips. Don't buy no.
Then, babes, that means that too much money you give me, me can buy chicken and rice. I take you $100 and give you back the $500 and cook your dinner here. I'm going to shop.
You bring it on?
Enough money, this. I give you back less and take him more one.
You subscribe yet?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make you bright and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. A better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Only you can make it good.
Babe, you wanna know say? At the worst, 1 week of my life ever have not having you here. Like me feel tormented, me feel like me don't know how this house can ever be without you and me there. Sorry for everything, man, and I'm willing to change and make a difference.
Yeah, go change.
I change already.
I found when you change.
I know how to change, cause if change means say accept say you do something wrong. You understand? I'm going to get back in being who you are, Dulcinea. You understand? Cause me think say you wanna go back and work again?
You never make me do that work.
Yeah, that means I want to make you go back and work. You wanna go back and work?
You never work before.
Yeah, you know work before. Remember saying I work up a thing there. Go place. And you quit and you left the place and I went tell him like say the ice cream parlor. Remember?
Oh, true for a long time, I remember.
You know what I say if you want to get back on path. You want to do it? I want more money for you. Just promise to, but yeah, more money for you. And
so what make you make me stop from work from the beginning?
no, because sometimes when your man thinks selfish, you only think say you're there for me. But at the end of the day, you need to can do what you need to do. Say you want to buy like certain things, you don't have to come and ask me to buy it. You just go buy it for yourself.
How would tell you that day?
You know, I was thinking and I know say I right for you to think. You understand? I'm gonna make you alone wash plate and then sit there. I'm gonna help you, man. Like two away there, two away partner.
The two away a partner.
Yes.
So how when we are go get draw? Them all give we money.
Another kind of partner. I mean, I thought partner for person to person, me, stick together and we have life. You understand?
So we ain't got no life from the beginning.
We have life, man.
That means that we dead?
You know, say you're funny and I love and joke. And joke I run now, but listen, man.
We not run no joke. You say we got life. That means that we didn't have no life before.
We have life, man. We're gonna spend it together now. Nice. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want like any little thing, you gotta make sure so you have it before you even think about it. I mean, for example, like you're there now and you want to cook. You make sure so you have everything. You have the proper seasoning. You don't have to wonder where you get a seasoning from or something like. So a lot of things you gotta make sure say alright. I'm tell you me I go to church, you know.
I check you, I check me out.
I'm to check you. I come for you, you know, you give me a ball and sitting, you give me a ball.
I did hear somebody a balling and it sound like you, but I'm not sure if you.
I'm me, man. Yeah?
You did a ball for real in a real life?
She don't know what going on.
In a real life you did a ball?
Real life.
And real eye water come out of your eye?
Like,
How would it see when you have a ball?
one of us see what. I tell you, trust
And
me.
God knows you?
God don't see me.
Oh. That means you're true, you talk.
True, me talk, man. You see me now? I
Oh.
love you. I'm want to work it out, yeah? What? Alright, guess what I'm gonna do for you tonight? Me I cook for you. So I want you to sit down, cock up your foot.
And my foot dirty.
No worry about that, I'm gonna do it. Cock up your foot. Relax.
I never have no water for bathe this morning.
Just relax, man. I'm gonna cook some food for you. Yeah? Me I cook for you.
You?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna hold up with time in the house, you know. Well, go on.
Yeah, dude.
Everything good?
But there, man.
Alright, so what you want? Where you ask me now?
What you know? I see a play the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Me I think about it. What you know? I meet a bee there and shop my general.
Mm-hmm.
And the bee look nice and thing. And me I say, oh, me I search high and me I search low for this female. Can't find this female.
Mm-hmm.
And then me remember say, oh, you're the biggest informer in that place, my general. So me didn't have to come link you.
No man, I can't make it look so bad. I'm not an informer, you know. I'm an information specialist. When they say I want subject me come out of school with, you know, I information technology. Don't make it thing look so bad.
Oh, so you call it. Oh, okay. Anything you say still, you know. But I'm gonna tell you, what you know, she name.
Brother, if you don't tell me name, how me I gonna know who?
She name again, man. Anna Dulcie.
Who?
Anna Dulcie.
Dulcie.
Dulcie? No, man, Anna Dulcie.
Me know what Dulcie, you know.
Oh, you last part, Dulcie what?
Dulcie me, you know.
Dulcie me, now.
Mm-hmm. She a chat.
She
a chat.
And she come from the community back.
Peterson, yeah.
She, you know.
So why she a look?
She, you know.
So you know, so she have one man though.
Me did ask you information about her, man. Me ask you information about she.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
What you know? I want to know which part she live in general. I tell her, I come get her a link, and she never say me nothing come in.
You sure say you want me tell her? Since me I want informer, I don't think you go want buy information. Since me I want informer.
Watch you, son. We make it worth your while, man. Don't watch your face. I don't know the thing going on.
Oh,
I
man.
have to pay for information. You know?
Of course, man. I want to.
I know the thing going, general. Yeah, man. So I make you get that thing, man. So
wait. Wait a minute. I make me get that thing. Where thing there?
Yes, sir.
Nobody tell me say are you too long and you come with me. I carry it.
I'm going to feed. Alright, what you know?
Yo, Jason, which part of that? Come pick me up right now, cause the money.
Hold on, man. Alright, man.
Hold on 1 second.
Don't do this. Watch your number, boss. My good feet. I can't go for your thing and come back on.
Just make sure say you give me money.
I go carry your
listen to me, man. If you don't give me money, you know, just know say information for you, go read somewhere.
You know why you do that. So watch you know. Where you say she live?
She live Peter Seal. You know a third lane. Froome lane. She
Yeah.
live in our apartment.
Oh, the apartment on the side there. On the right hand side of the apartment there?
Brother, you have to do what the rest of that. She live in a downstairs, man. But just know say she live with her money. So if you ever get
What I talk about him, man? Froome Lane,
Mhm.
Petersfield,
Mhm.
apartment,
Mhm.
downstairs.
Room
Yo.
5.
A real information minister, you know?
Sister,
Why? What go on, my brother? Heat wave.
you see it,
Heat
man.
wave a kill with the blouse and skirt. I'm if tell you. Jesus, have mercy, God.
Hot, not true?
What?
Yeah,
When
man.
the outside, but they see
Mhm.
we have to stay outside. I river me want to reach right now, you know.
I tell
See
you.
can't do it. I really come Island Paradise, Jamaica.
Hot,
Yeah,
man.
it hot.
Hot.
The mama tell you, it heat. Me hot so till me a burn up.
Turn up, man, for sure.
Jesus.
Turn up. What's this? Me I can't tell you about the facts, say. I'm more proud of me, you know. Because last time I talk to you, believe me, I feel so sad of me. I say, I can't let down my family. I can't let it down like that. Give what go on.
You take my advice.
I mean, I must take advice. And a real talk here, talk a truth. Sis, I go back for me, to do some, you know. I'm have her in a yard there. I'm basically, I go do the right thing now. I go stop shouting for her, stop calling her name. You know what I mean? Become the person what she want to be. You
Brother,
understand?
far and Dulcimina come from, you know?
I tell you, man.
Far and Dulcimina where I come from. Trust me, the other day when Mr. Richie come check my master, I not lie, but it feel a weird. Because what the man say now gonna end good enough.
All that
Remember
thing,
with blood in the eye, you know.
true, man.
My heart bleed. Come closer, man. Sit down here, sit down right there, sir, brother. Sit down, hold on, brother. Hold on.
What you talking about?
Sit down here, sir.
If me figure something no, sir. Look how me bigger, hey. You take care of me, you know. I mean respect that, but me can't sing for that no man.
You
Nobody
see,
that, man.
you don't follow instruction.
And I'm not instruction.
Other day, me tell us if you sing for me, and you would have dead before you sing for me.
Yeah.
I know me, I tell us, sit down, and rest your foot. You know, me love you, brother.
No, man. Don't worry about you. I'm turn up and talk to you,
I
sis.
want to proud of you for true, because you are one, you know. You see, true. Right now, I feel emotional. You did say you feel emotional the other day? No, I feel emotional. And guess what? You know what happy with you?
Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me because I guess I know at the end of the day, I know what's right from wrong. And me, like I take out certain anger issues from she never right. And me change.
So listen to me now. Let me talk to you. Let me get up and chat to my brother, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see, other day, when Richie come here, I tell you the truth. They have sleepless night. Because when me think about the fact, say, you, my nice brother, when my mother and father grow so good, you never see parents quarrel and fight. Me not say you fight. Don't see me now. But sometimes it's better if you're a fighter. Because you see some people, like you to how me here, you fight with words. And sometimes words cut deeper than a knife. Seriously, you know? Because look here, you know, say, it's that verbal abuse thing there. It lead up to mental abuse. And you see mental abuse, it lead up to physical abuse. You hear me say? You hear me I tell you? And listen to me now. You see when time people get mental, derail, you know what me I talk about?
Lose it.
They lose their mind. Because sometimes if people them just start to abuse them verbally, start to tell them some words and belittle them and make them feel small and make them lose their self-esteem. And when they lose their self-esteem, you know what happens? They get mental. So you abuse them through the hard way. How much the hard way? You have verbal abuse. You have mental abuse, and then you go physical abuse. And physical abuse lead to death and destruction. So I'm glad and happy for know say you can look in yourself and change up your ways. So you can start to make your family know. Because look here now. We don't deal with no engrafted fruit around here, you know. Original.
True.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because I always see some people pick some sitting off a some tree, sour orange and turn it in a sweet orange.
Engrafted.
They're engrafted. So you're original. You don't know engraft nothing around here, brother. So I'm glad to see you looking at yourself and change up your act.
Definitely.
You
I
understand?
must me have to come tell you because I don't want you know it come off like me not appreciate what you say.
I'm happy for you, see. I'm happy for you. So look here now. What you say? You go make one either one niece or one nephew, you know. Anyone will do.
I take my time. I take my time. You know, easy, you know.
One niece or one nephew.
True. But I take my time.
You can't make a picnic and go see in a misery and you tell your wife or your girlfriend some terrible words. I have to broke up then curse her for early, brother. You sit down back. I'm feel like a better, you know. So what you say?
What am I going to do?
So you couldn't carry one bottle of water and give me no say time, Matt?
You know, so I shop me and go, but me just hurry up and come over and chat to you fast.
I don't know, I feel good. You can't pick two, you know, coconut.
Supposed to, you know. I'm going to pick some coconut for you. Coconut trees, I'm serious about you.
Yes.
I'm going to say I can't pick two coconuts for you.
So you say,
I soon come. Yeah?
So what for do?
Just go out with us, man. Nah, let it down. I can't let it down. Yeah? Soon come.
Molasses. Hello, Dulcinea. How are you doing?
How would tell you which part me live?
Let me never tell you something that go find you, baby.
What you want?
What you mean? Invite me in.
Hurry up and come, cause you have to make your son go back. And me I invite you in.
Come on, man. I'm not stealing. Yes.
And what you want now?
Oh, you're so hard to find. Even though them say good things is very hard to find, you know.
What you want? Because me tell you say, me man return Doberman and he me no want him to do nobody nothing. Because you come, before you tell me what you want, you they touch me. Post him come no want see you they touch me. And my husband to be, me no want you to touch me. Anything when you come but just chatty and go along quick no man.
So you rush me, so my friend.
But me live with me man. And my husband to be. We so married and you come now and me yard come sit down for me man veranda. Fin come in and argue with me. Me no want no argue with me every me no want they argue with me every time.
Relax the man. Him not there nowhere near. Him probably gone all at work.
That's how you watch him. You watch me man, you know which part in there? Are you in security? Me no want you watch me man. And me want to watch him. Cause me now watch your woman.
Yeah, man. Them say bird can't fly upon one wing, you know.
How what you want now? Me they ask you what you want.
I want to give you another wing.
Me a no bird, so me can't fly. Me no want no wing.
You can't live through the thing and not have tools and have a backup. If you always have a backup,
What
and
you
a nice
talking about?
female like you need another man.
Me?
Yes.
Me got one man already and me just tell us I'm so married. What you are talking about?
Me tell you say you need another man.
You know, you see you? You know say you want wicked man from the first time me did see you, me know say you're evil. Me tell you how me man stay and he no want see me talk with nobody. And you come at me yard now if put me and me man in a problem. See me and me man left, you want to carry me go away.
Me not try mash up a relationship. I just want to strengthen it.
How you going to use strengthen it? Eh?
I going to use my local intuition because it's when time the man gone, I will slide in and be the one. When
So
the cat's away, the rat comes home to play.
me must play with you when my man gone.
See, you just a pick up on me and talk about them, man.
Me no inna that. Me no do that.
What do you mean?
You're too out of that. What make you want me if you go slide in with you when my man gone? That a wickedness and me love my man. And you no want see me talk to nobody, so me no know. Who show you me yard? Me no know.
See it?
Where you come over here for?
Abuse you. He might deal with you a certain way. I am going to be that next person who deal with you soft and treat you the right way. I'm going to show you how loving feel.
And me tell you say your name if you pay for your chicken back for me. And you pay for that's why you ask the people them when me live in that area and come find me yard. No, you want me to get in a problem.
I don't want you to get in a problem. As a matter of fact, I want you to get out of problem.
When my man come me, I go tell him say you did pay for something them and make him give me back his money for you.
That is not necessary.
Because me did tell him say and my brother give me money for pay for and you pay for it. You're too wicked.
You see, if your man for do come and see me, just tell him say me is the plumber.
Plumber?
Yes.
How come we not have no pipe? Let's see where you're fast now.
Which one you say you want to leave?
Oh, I plumber this? I plumber?
Yes.
I work I water hours are gone. But hold on. And now you miss you up everybody at talk about you find woman.
No.
And you?
No, man. When?
When
not?
Alright, you hear me, sir. Left me here.
You know what I'm
left me here. Just left me here before me start it. Left me here.
Alright, I'm boss.
Left me here. What am I doing here? And him may see up a river, you know, and him me a talk about, you know.
High piping come to fix.
So plumbing working though.
Mm.
I really want to go back to one place, you know, because I say I live good, you know. Me I cook for you, me I wash your clothes them now, me I help you to do all kind of work, because me into the relationship. You understand me? I say, don't make me feel like say me I do a wrong thing by accepting certain things. You understand me? I say, do you mean? And me I come back to tell her good news, because my sister here me I come from. Because I tell her, I say, you know, everything I go on good and she proud of me and them something. I don't want she lose off of me because I say, man, don't see me, I don't.
I piping come to fix.
Come to fix the pipe, but listen to me. Anytime the man come to fix the pipe, tell him if he come back or call your man. Call your man and make him deal with it. You understand me? I say, it's not so jealous, me jealous, you know, but it's just that me no want a man in my yard. You understand? How you look for one man, I can't look for me woman. Eh? Me no there yard and him I can't look for me woman. Me no depend that. Me no want no man in my yard. You understand? Me and you alone. For me and for your place. Eh? You understand? For you and for me place. Alright? Right. You must say we start a brand new, you know. I mean I come talk to you. So come on going. I can go watch some movie. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
You eat already?
Me not eat so till when I come and me and you gonna eat together.
Exactly. Come in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you come looking for if you hug me up.
You push me down every time when you hug me up.
No, let me eye. That's it. Me eye lock up. Dulcimina. You know what I'm saying? This one done? You know what I'm saying? Yesterday went kind of hurtful for me though.
What happened to you?
And I want to me, I can't see.
How you see?
Look how me I try to be a better person, Dulcimina. Me I try to move forward in a positive. Me I try to go to church. Me I cook for you. You realize say there, so I wash your plate now because I'm me with a name and wash your plate and don't even know what them people are texting me. You make me feel like say me I waste my time.
And that you come and say to me like me an idiot.
Dulcimina, you make me feel like me waste my time. How me if you come on my yard and see man on my yard and the same man they pay you to get the grocery, eh? Get the chicken back and he sitting if he come cook for me. That same man, they know say man no, you know come fix no plumbing something. You know that, Dulcimina. So I understand why it's like, see, I make it seem like, say, the man there have to come fix pipe.
And him saying come to fix the pipe.
So why you invite him in a place, open a gate? I make him man slung her upon me, on the veranda. Eh?
A lie you tell for me?
I not tell you a lie, I want me come see.
Me never call him over your yard.
You never call him over for me yard? Dulcimina, you see, I do my thing that I can't take in a car. I try work it out with you, now work it out with me. Dulcimina, you the man there? You the man in the things?
I can't say that.
When me say that, alright, put yourself in my shoes. If you come home and come see my woman on the veranda and the man look up at my face, so that means say what? I pipe them. Eh?
I don't know what you talk about. I don't know can they talk about something when I don't know about.
So what you want to talk about before me come then?
He say you want to fix pipe.
You want to fix your pipe? That you want to come do?
I don't got no pipe.
And you want a pipe? You want pipe you? Because me not see we not told.
What you talk about?
What me talk about? That me talk about within it. You know say, yo, me can't be me try and you now make it easier for me do me now.
I me not do nothing in the yard, say me got money in the yard.
So the man me come see?
I know me carry him over here. Him walk through the gate himself and come in and me go for him out there.
What is up, man? No matter how much try, the devil has to try finding a way if he come peeping. Alright, I him finding a way. I'm
going to tell you something. You see, the day when me go shop, and him say he going to pay for something them and me never beg him.
Me here confused me right now.
He say he going to pay for it and me never beg him to pay for nothing for me.
You are confusing me right now.
I'm confused you. Because me know say you will come course me tell us that my brother give me money for pay for.
Dulcimina, you know say you read this and now, alright. You know what I'm going to take a breather and go cool out. I cool out. 2 minutes for cool out. Because you don't understand what you do. I can't sleep last night. I sleep all night last night. I think about this damn bothered man that come to my place. I come and look up at my woman's face. Stare in my woman's face like say him and she and things.
He never in my face. Half of me I know mirror. A lie tell for me.
Me I tell lie? Alright, Dulcimina. Me I tell lie for you. Me can't see her, me I tell lie for you.
He never up in my face. You fit top tell lie on people. You know, say you grieve me. You grieve me.
Dulce. Dulce.
How would that there?
What do you mean how would that there? Come out here, son of a. Hey. No, sir. You're not easy, you know.
You can come in the gate.
No, I'm not ready.
How?
You're not easy at all and you're smiling too. What are they for smile about?
How are you talk about?
You know what I'm saying? No sense. Now Richie tell me say, him come down your field and bring you up a vineyard. Stop, don't show me nothing, don't show me nothing. And you take this thing for a joke. After the man waste him time and bring up a female just to protect you and have you amongst him. You really left in the night and come back down here so by the time him reach home?
I'm a man, come for me.
Don't say
because
you're not
love me.
You know?
He love me and he saying go marry me and he start go to church.
You damn fool. Of course him love you.
Yeah, me know say me a fool. He not let me.
You see, you never used to say so. You did have sense. Him beat it out of you or something, you did have sense. One to you.
How
I
come
first
you,
you get money in your life.
how come you come to shame me
I
or
beat
what?
me for come beat you. Me for put it on by you. Show you some love you.
Every time you come at me yard after 25 years and 10 years and 2 years, you come with one different sitting. Now you come to take me man family. Me and your family, you
I
know?
don't want your man. Cause if me dey have your man, would have beat him, kill him. I don't want your man.
Me and your family and you know come to encourage me say he marriage good. And me no fi leave him and me have right to come back at me yard. You come down here they come argue with me about riches say.
You know, some of you like to me is a mad person to just
And you
stand up
know
and
say
talk
me
to
just
you.
did a wash out in underpants them and
Yeah,
you
but
call
I
me
don't care
round here.
about that. I don't care about that. You never used to see so you did bright, you did have sense. You used to could have hold a conversation. What do you then hope you hear
Stop
something?
tell me about conversation, cause no word no go so.
Up a rich here for them. Up a rich here for them. All the man I do a butter bruise and take you for a little idiot. But love. What kind of marriage you run now? I say you well want ring?
Give me ring.
Take off this one, son.
No, he say nobody no fi take off your own with him.
One thing you do. Lucy, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down now. One thing, baby girl. Lucy, you never used to act so.
I wish part of they come from. You did the pamphlet?
Y'all listen to not what me I said to you, man. Y'all listen,
Because my brother tell me say you're a flight attendant.
Yes, me a flight attendant, but that's not what I came here for. Are you listening?
How where you come from?
Lucy.
Why me couldn't have come down and me man yard every time?
Shut up now. Shut up. I don't want to hear you. You didn't have sense. What happened?
I tell me say me nah no sense again.
Yeah, you not have none.
How am I?
He beat it out of you, obviously.
A liar tell for me man, he never lick me yet, he just call me idiot. And say me a fool and he say me a jackass.
Alright, so you don't believe it?
Yeah, me know say me a idiot.
You need help. You need professional help.
How where you want can me go?
Bellevue, of course.
A fool. Let me go. You don't like who know. And who no make me left me man here the other day and me go bad. And when he come, me go tell Dave say you come down here and feed me. He say me no be left. And you come feed me, you fool. Come out of me yard.
You need help, me. I want help you.
Come out of me yard. Me don't like you for a long time. You work on plane and you don't give me nothing. Don't touch
just
me.
Want help. You need help. Me know if you're fox, so you need help. You're nasty.
What make you come back for me? Me no want to stay up on my
Me
brother
not
yard.
try to force you out of the house here, but me I tell you
And him tell us if he come look if you see me down here.
Yes, but me I get some help for you. Me I go get some help for you. You need help, Lucy.
And my man Dave help me already.
Dave nah do nothing more than beat you, Lucy, and ill treat you.
I thought
That
you
I
and
no
them
love, baby girl. That I no love.
What make you hold on for
You're
me?
delusional.
Like your mama.
Stop it. May I get you some help and may I come back, you know? May I come back for you.
To see you, you know say you jacket. Me you know nothing. You come down on me yard now if you come take me away from me man. If you carry me up on the yard to wash on no dirty clothes
That
them.
is fine. No, but I never did that after you know my maid do say. I just want to get you some help.
Dave, me love you fried chicken for me last night.
Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. Now come back here and may I get you some help.
Yeah, come back and look for me.
May I look for you.
And
I
you
come
carry
back with
sitting
some
for me
people.
and
Yeah,
Dave, you
me
know?
and some people come look for you.
And you go carry sitting for me and Dave?
Yes. For you and Dave. I promise you. You got for me? You sure?
Look how long you did to come look for me. I know you just have come. Come hug up me man, you fool you. You can come in my house. Come on. But you have to come out before Dave come, because I don't want none of my family them here. You know you say you don't like who no. Come in. No.
Dulcimina. Dulce.
You,
How are they?
so you can't find somebody senseless for have beat and abuse. And because you decide say you're gonna walk on and take advantage of. Eh?
Wait, hold on. Me still didn't want shock right now. I wonder what the hell you do on me yard.
It no matter when me do your yard, I come look for my family member.
So what that mean?
At the end of the day, you use and abuse this lady.
What do you mean you use and abuse this
Actually,
lady?
you know she don't have no sense.
What you mean
So
to
you can't
know?
get no better woman on the road.
What you mean to know? Are you not have no sense? You come here and say she don't have no sense. My Dulce, listen to me I say, my Dulcimina, we have arguments. That's all we have. I've never put my hand on Dulcimina. I bet if you me down here, I beat her up and I thump her up and something.
I don't feel, I know.
What you mean say
Arguments
no?
are simple. You take her for an idiot. Don't say her act like she retarded. I come here come look for her, she act like she retarded.
You know what to do, see?
You beat the sense out of her, that me know. Me know.
Why you saying that me do it? Why? What?
Alright, Dulce
Dulce-
did absence, one to her.
Dulce
One to
went
her
into
now.
a depression. That's why I take her from her work. You understand me? I say
My
me take...
trouble with depression, I mean, I act like me man absent.
No, because right now you feel like you're so strong and you're independent. You don't even have a man. When last you see one man,
I don't need
I'll
a
be
man.
a
I
girlfriend
don't
you're
need a
quarreling
man.
and
I'm a
say,
flight
"Go
attendant.
out."
I take flights, not
Exactly.
I catch flights, not feelings, sir.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't need a man.
Don't show off yourself. But I'm saying to you that at the end of the day, you don't have a man. So you don't put yourself in the category to be in a relationship standard.
Why would I when there are men like you around?
Men like me around.
Yeah.
You feel like me the worst thing ever?
You're definitely the worst thing.
You're the worst thing ever
Me?
right now. Come on me yard.
You wish you could have a girl like me.
Me?
You
No,
wish.
no.
But me that beat the crap out of you because me can't ramp with.
Beat.
Me, don't make because I'm decent at one point. You think say I'm a walkover.
You see short people like who love
Short
fight.
people.
Love fight and have beer mouth. Yeah man, short
people.
I be an argument
Short
you want
people.
Just take your time and go on. Where's Dulcimina? What?
Excuse me. Come again. You said me to take my time and go and put me out. Put me out, Dave. Put me out. I would love for you to challenge me today. Put me out.
Father God.
Come now.
I'm there and
Come
I'm try
now.
to
I'm
take
gonna get
the time.
revenge from my family.
Alright.
Come now.
You see, the funniest thing about it, when you tell Richie one message, tell Richie say if you leave my girl alone and next time he come here, come take up my woman out of my place. We are gonna get married and we don't want Uno at the wedding.
Married.
It's as simple as that. Uno gonna hear about it and Uno gonna do it.
You already tired. And you want to make it
You
even
mean tired?
worse?
What you talking about
You
tired?
want to put ring on her finger?
I ring the finger.
The next time we're going to hear
engagement
news
ring.
about her, you kill her in there, you strangle her, kill her.
Wrong somebody.
Listen to me. The next time we'll come back for her, we'll get her professional because the sister she not sense.
Come out of my place.
No.
Leave the place.
No, I was already leaving.
Yes,
don't feel like say you were putting me out. I was leaving.
Alright, yeah, go on.
You don't get that pleasure.
Go on, miss already leaving. Yeah man, go catch a flight.
And feisty.
You bright and feisty.
Any day. I love catch flights. Man like you, me no want.
So we got back to square one. Because your family just keep on a pop up in that place and hold on. How would you hear? I wanna lose her there.
My cousin come and pull out it for me. She say, me here dirty and you want to wash and me did tell her, me tell her said she not fi pull out me head, you know. And she say she say she have to go me here and she pull it out. She say you have me down here and I want me fi go a hairdresser. That's why me look so. So she want me look different. And she pull out it. And me did tell her, me all did fight her. Me tell her if you not pull out me head because you will quarrel and she still pull out it. So me make she turn because she hold down my hand. And she make her fingernail crammy right here so.
Let me tell you this. We're going back at square one. That the woman there, she come out at the veranda and chop me in my head. When I say chop me, means that push me in my head like say me and she in things. You understand?
See me cousin.
For your so-called cousin. Head big like.
So-called.
What you mean? The same one I walk out a while ago. Wait.
I'm a real cousin.
Are you real cousin?
In a real life.
In a real life, but she not no sense. And she not no style. But she a flight attendant and she a catch flights and then something. I like him can show off for me.
And you are calling me cousin idiot.
Me a call your cousin idiot?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, listen to me I say. See? Don't make them come back down to my place. None at all.
I know me did call her down here, you know.
Dulcimina. Dulcimina. Every time you say I know you. You call man over my place and come sit down on my step and I know you. She coming to my house in your ear, loose out your ear. Your ear supposed to take me about half an hour to lose out. So as so long she there at my house, she drink up my drinks?
No.
She never want my food?
She never come so long. She know what she do? She take his scissors and cut you out of my ear. She never pull out it with her finger.
Dulcimina, listen to me I say. At the end of the day, me think so we going back to school and yo.
Me no know what you mean, which part we are going.
We not happy again. We can't happy. We can't stay happy. Why we can't stay happy? Why you can't make we stay happy?
You're be a square one. What you are talking about?
What you are talking about? Why you listen? Why you hear?
You say we gone back a square one, but you never can make a be out a square one.
You know, so I believe everything of people is something wrong with it for you. Them say something wrong with you. And I know me cause it, you know. Cause there's something what inside of you, cause you feel have that the reaction to when me talk to you tough.
A peer one you did carry me go on a scary one, now you say we gone back there.
Don't see me, what really are going with you?
No, do me. Are you give me trouble every time?
Me I get trouble every time. Are you know me do? Me gonna make one psychiatrist or somebody come talk to you cause something wrong with you. I don't know, me cause every time I talk to you.
You know say me like them kind of people there?
You like who? Psychiatrist?
Mm-hmm. We like them, and them my friends.
Go. I'm gonna give you some drinks. I'm thirsty. Place hot.
What kind of drinks you want? Sugar and water?
Anything you want, you're gonna give me.
You did left some apple juice in your fridge and me did take some. You want the rest?
Give me the rest.
Yeah, come.
What happened to you? I can't walk so fast. What happened?
Are you not come check in? Sis, if there's something wrong with this.
What do you mean something wrong with this Dulcimina? I don't understand.
She talk some things like she go mad. She say some things out her mouth where, to me, it not sound normal.
Like she a mad, as in mad.
Mm-hmm. Like she lose her brain, like she can't come back. You know when one ship go off course, and no matter where you take it can't carry current that carry the go so. And I just saw it go.
No man, it sound like one time on tube punch. Anyway, me not take this to no joke. How you mean say Dulcimina act like she a mad? How you mean?
The things when she talk some things when make no sense.
So you not come tell me other day said Dulcimina alright and it was no good?
I don't know. You know, something wrong though. I feel like something wrong. Cause I look in her eyes when she talk, and she talk something like me I say one care like we have I don't remember something we talk about. But she talk about
argument mix up.
Confused. Discombobulation, it just all over the place.
So what could I cause it? You feel sad because Richie did take her from the house and she think about it and she overthink her mad?
I never reach out behind.
No. You see, I tell you, you see you. Look here, man. Don't do that. Where you get this Obia argument? Me don't like to hear it. Everything at Obia, nobody can sick naturally again. As people dead, so you hear sir Obia.
So what no people go
on? Nobody no want take responsibility for their own actions. Mine are you know.
No.
Brother, let me tell you something, man. Don't play with me, no, man. Mine are you and your dirty behavior cause a girl for your mad out, you know.
No, me done them behavior a long time. Me no call her no name. Me cut them vibe the first time I talk to you. Me tell you something me change.
So why is it you got judge Richie?
Me
You
no know.
carry the girl go doctor, doctor the right place you bring her go. You bring her go doctor.
Me no have money to carry a doctor. That's a problem now.
So now that you feel say money you come to borrow from me. You grown and come round, you grown late and come round cops.
Me just come check if you talk to you because me coward now, me scared. Because she no sound righted.
Brother, me know you too well. And money you want to borrow.
Yeah.
So now that you feel say out your nice clean mouth and stop growing and come round. So hold on there. Our family know?
No.
So how you keep that to yourself?
Well, see our cousin when come down there, come talk to her. And from the cousin wash her hair, talk to her, comb out her hair. It's a different dulce me, you know. That's why me a talk about Obia. That me a talk about, sis. Now look for me, so sis, because I'm nervous.
She have fever?
No.
You sure?
No,
I check her temperature.
Me not touch her.
Mine a bad flu a grow and she catch, you know. And the fever fly up in her head and she attack foolishness, you know. Bring her go doctor. Take her to the doctor, okay? Because you say from our cousin wash her head, she start to act strange and attack pure foolish. What? Gibberish? Gibberish or whatever. Me don't know. Because me don't like foreign language. But anyway, me not laugh. I can't fever she have, you know, and the fever gone up in her head, you know. Because one terrible flu a go around and make sure you find Richie and tell Richie. Because you can't keep our sickness to yourself as secret. But me never have no cash. So the only thing me can help with is give me bank card, as you already know the PIN number. You understand?
Me will come back. But I'm going to talk to her first, get her ready, and I'm call you.
Get her ready, man. You want me to follow you? Are you good?
No, I'm a good man. Because she go see her and she go trigger off some.
Then I say bad.
Me no know. Because me no know.
You make sure say you go tell our family, you know.
Me no think me go tell him family though.
What you mean?
Me go check it out first. You see something carry go a doctor, me carry go a doctor first and then afterward me check it doctor. Sis, later sis.
You talk all foolishness. Go on, because you're confused. Me can't bother with you, brother, but me love you. Call me, you hear?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Come on. I know you're strong. Yeah. But you be wrong and strong. That means you're weak. And if you can't say yourself,
you subscribe yet.
So you don't care that come give me. So that come give me, man. Pass the thing now.
Sir.
I move so like you want to take man for coming now.
Yeah. You can sell me 1 pound of chicken back.
Yeah.
And I want some corned meal.
I don't know, miss. I listen to a lady.
I want 2 black pepper with I want sweet pepper with 4 onion. Can you put them in a one bag for me, please? Yeah. Give me them in a one bag. Put them for here, so then if you don't have no bag, put them for here, so. I'm on 1 carrot.
Cook big pot though, my friend.
If you know me, know you not talk to me.
Just assess still, you know. See a nice lady like you come and shop.
I like you.
You don't have to like me. But we like me for you two away.
And my man say me not fit talk to nobody on the road.
But your man not there.
And he will war you.
I go World War I and World War II, you know. If him still living, then World War III can happen.
How me can't talk to me and me not know you?
Come on, see your items here.
No, no touch it, no touch it. You're gonna make him fight me when me go home. No touch it, make it stay. I don't want the other rest or something them.
What is your name?
My name Dulcimina.
Dulcimina. You know that is a beautiful name for a beautiful girl.
No, but I like it.
What you mean? If your mother never want me like it, she wouldn't give you a name then?
You don't know my mother.
She said you come here right now for me like you.
My mother no come from Jamaica, she come from Nigeria.
So no, well, we're not African descendant.
When you can't talk to me, I not even like you.
See, I get your order them there.
You not have no bag, me?
No bag.
I mean, I get everything when me order. I want the sweet pepper too.
So don't see me, you know. I couldn't get some of the dinner.
See money here.
Wait.
See money here.
Hold on there. So, hold on, don't see me, you know. So, that's all you plan to pay for the whole of them items there?
That my man give me if you come and shop.
Oh no, don't see, man. You can't come and shop with $100, man. That's not so the thing go. That costs more than that. But here what? Make you a deal. Give me the number. I'm gonna pay for the things then.
No, I take out the battery out of my phone and I take out the charger. He said me no forget no man on the road my number.
So it's where you live, baby girl?
No, I mean I can't tell you.
So which way you walk at daytime?
If I tell you it will cause problem. And my man, if my man comes to me and talk to you right now, he will fight you.
But
so me I go now.
Nobody in the day here. Just hold on, knock on
Me
your
can't
roll.
stay too long, maybe
Beautiful. I am going to take care of your bill for you because clearly you never come with enough money.
No pay feed for me, no pay feed for me. No. Me prefer miss me, I go give them back.
No, you cannot. But you can't go home without the food now. There's no more problem that you're going to.
And you go pay feed for me?
I am going to sort it out for
and you don't know me from nowhere?
I don't have to know you. I know you know. Just cool, no don't
First
see
you
me,
want
no.
me number, now you want pay for sitting for me.
How
you up to?
I am just a friend, a concerned citizen, an admirer of a beautiful lady in a spaghetti straps.
I don't like you.
You don't have to like me. As me telling me like me if you two away.
Me can't go now, sir.
I want to see you again, you know. But here what? I will look for you, don't worry. I'll find where you live.
If you know me, you don't come and for me gate, cause my man coming like a Doberman and you know, like no man come and for him gate come turn up. And go be a woman he may come and for him gate come turn up.
I just took a mental picture. I must see you again.
Me go tell my man say me meet one
No,
man.
no, hold on, Dulcie. You don't have to do all of that. Let this be just our little secret. Nobody never knows to me and you attack.
What do you mean when you say that?
I mean, you remember how thief and robber walk together?
Me are not thief and me are not robber.
But well, we can't
my man say me fit talk to one man and I hungry him.
No, you not talk to God.
God different. Me talk to him in a me sleep.
Well,
when me asleep, me talk to him.
Me are one of God's disciples, so you can tell me anything. Yes.
How what your name?
I mean and Jesus, man.
Eh? You?
Me name Jesus.
And you sell him out for 30 pieces of silver.
I never so much money me get, but at the story you get wrong. Now watch your face. Hear me I say. I will see you.
Every time me ready to go home to my man, you dey tap me. Where for your woman there?
I'm looking at her right now.
Me?
So now you are my new woman. Forget about everything else.
You pay for them here for me?
I didn't even pay for it.
Oh, can I go tell you if you take back your money because
You don't. Hello.
you're stressed out my brain right now.
I have many more where that came from. Don't worry about it. Consider it a down payment.
I don't understand what down payment mean. At the first, me hear that they were there.
First you hear it?
Mm.
Well, look forward to hearing it many more times.
You don't talk yet?
You're good, man. You can go on. Have a good evening here.
You can go on now?
Yes, you can go on.
Really in
and
real
remember,
life?
don't tell nobody about we secret.
My man say me not keep no secret from him.
Alright
so
then.
So I don't know how you come and tell me if you not tell nobody.
Well,
him and somebody.
Try no remember say you come and shop then.
So where me get them here from?
On the roadside. Tell him anything.
Me can't tell anybody else like but not my man.
What's your man?
You don't know me man, you know? When my man ready, he call me idiot, you know?
But Jesus. Look here now. I don't want people to feel mentally, physically, and verbally abuse you. You're a beautiful lady. Deserve some sweet talk and treatment. Look at your legs, them. Look at your thighs, them. Thick like
idiot,
a terror bread.
You know, you're idiot. You're idiot.
Your legs, them thick like a terror bread.
You fool. Every time you look for my skin.
You know, see you look nice.
Like somebody you look.
You see you're clean.
Me I come go now because you're tired out my mouth.
Alright, don't see me, you know. I must see you again. Yeah, man. Fine terror bread, man.
Don't let me now. Oh, where's she there? By the time I call a lady, I come like a problem star. Don't see me now.
Yes.
Where you there?
I spot them, I did a score up. You can sit down.
I remember you take up your plate and carry it in. Food tastes nice, man. You go on, you can always. And one thing, boy, you always cook good. You know what I mean? Always. Your mother give you a good pan of partner. Some more left, some more food left in that pot. Come on, one more eat of that pot there.
The food that I carry come you, that alone did left. Cause you eat 2 times what I pot already. And no, me no get none. And the little biscuit when me in the plan to eat. See there? Me I look for it and you have it. So you don't eat the food and then you go for the biscuit. So me no get nothing to eat. So you eat half the biscuit and left this now. And you say me if you take up the plate. So me I go carry go put down. Me no have no more food left in my pot to give you. So
but you know sense then. Because you know, I got make me feel, what you want me feel like, so me feel bad because me eat 2 times. Me ask for food 2 times and you give me 2 times. What someone must do? Feel that way about it? Yo, sometimes I wonder about it's like, is it that
ask me for more if more did in them would have give you.
It's a yes or no situation, you know, simple as that. Make it sound like me heavy under pressure. Hold on, come to think of it. How you pay for your food? Because you see, I know say a joke. I know you have money around there, you know. You have some money around the way I because enough time I still buy stuff, you know, buy everything. I save everyone I save.
Every time you send me a shop $1,000 you give me, you can't buy nothing.
But this time, you take $100 and go and shop. And you come back here with more than what me even still if you buy.
Because my brother give me money on the road.
Which brother?
My brother.
Which brother?
Me have my family them, you know, my cousin and my niece them, and so me see one of my brother on the road and he give me money and say me if you go buy back suit. But true because me love you, me no buy the back suit. Me take you buy something for cook and carry come give you feed. But you know,
which brother that you talk about?
Give me none.
I know the same Rasta one.
In train.
Well,
You man not rasta again, ain't you man in here?
if you don't tell me that me wanna have my food, man. Me wanna bother eating on that food.
I joke, but no did I depend on the biscuit and you take it too.
So a biscuit you survive for miss biscuit you done. Eh? You
Man.
go on. Just give me a little time, alright? I'm just want to relax
You
myself.
can't just make me go and my family them go stay 1 month and then
Month?
come back.
For the what? Where you go do down there? Think about it.
Cause me feel like me a starve.
Starve? If you have food, how you feel starve? You cook, you don't eat. And am my fault that? Am my fault why you feel like you starve?
And my niece say me must come stay with them little bit cause a long time
Your niece
they
are
no see me.
crosses. Your niece are crosses. Me here say your niece linger run and go club. You need to check. You need to tell your brother to check for your niece. Yeah, that you need to do. Boy, you check for your niece. That little girl, feisty enough and he go on like say he would have run way. Give me some time no more and lie down a little bit, relax my eye. So just me call if I just carry the plate. Just carry the plate no more.
You finished that?
Me done. Go on.
So me must get up now.
You must go on and just come for yourself, man.
What if you do with the biscuit you left in my plate?
Send you go a post office.
So people them on post office will take it?
Dulcimina, go on. No, sir. What could I cause this?
Hello? Dave? Yeah, Nico. There's some information for you, you know. What do you mean, I don't what kind of information? A good information, man. You know some me have all that information on. So just link me up on my spot. You know which part? Yeah, that's so. Hurry up, you know. Because information have time.
Don't you never go out and run and forward, yeah?
Yeah.
Stuff did they can't cook again? Eh?
Eh?
Stuff did they can't cook again?
No, you need to say a little something.
I say me can get something up on that shop now, yeah? Let's move forward.
And tell my brother everything you do to me. Yeah. And me a call you, you don't know my voice.
You see how long you take?
Brother, run me up, run come up here now.
There's some information for you. You see Dulcimina today.
Dulcimina today where?
Around there, man. You see me with one bald-headed dude.
You mean see my Dulcimina with a bald-headed brother? So bald-headed man she look?
I don't know. But you and I still there together?
Oh, you mean say me and Dulcimina still there together? Me send Dulcimina go a shop.
You sure?
A shop, me send her come.
Well, it look like you send her a shop and she gonna talk to next man.
A joke, I mean, a joke. Laugh at me now, man. Laugh with me.
Me look like me a joke.
Tell laugh at you. Brother, what say? Dulcimina, my Dulcimina with woman, with my woman with man.
Brother, I don't know what going on for your house, but it look like Dulcimina already to left her because I see all she did. The bald-headed man want her number.
She give me a number?
Mm-hmm.
So where you deficit that?
Don't worry about all of that, man. Just know some see it. I see with my two eye them.
Well, you is a man who have his assist stuff and attack stuff in the about so.
Me I try to say.
You have to believe it because. So now you are the man who has tell information to
No
everybody.
man, that make it sound like me I'm an informer, man. Tell me, say it more. They just know certain things in the streets.
You know the information in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
But alright, hear me say still. You sure say a Dulcimina you see do or a small one look like a Dulcimina up at the shop and talk to one bald man I say.
Whenever me tell you things, me always say the wrong person.
Alright.
Just take my word for it, man.
All
Just
right.
handle your business.
Me I go up at the shop.
Alright, yeah, but
See? Respect our manners.
No? I'm not alright. I call you to talk to you. I know how long I want to talk to you, but every time when I call your phone, in the round me and I can't use the phone. He say me have to make sure say him know who me dey call and how long me dey talk to him. For if he tell me if I use the phone, me can't use it and on my phone. Where did buy for me? He say go take it away from me. He gone, that's why I can call you. He tell me say I go to the road. I don't know which part he gone. Yes. He not give me nothing to eat. Every time when I cook and he not give me none, he eat off he not give me none. And then me make the cookie. Yes. And then me have to wash up the plate. Then he not do nothing. More than threaten me and tell me all kind of something and call me all kind of name. And even other day me dey down the road and me hear my telling friend them say me a idiot. He put pill in my juice, sleeping pill, for me not sleep. He say he might give me it for me sleep because he don't want you to call me. So when the phone ring on me and sleep, me won't hear. Me want to come home back. But me afraid of him. Yes. Me can't come out in they tell me saying you if me think me bad go through the gate and he don't know and he see what he do to me. Enough time me dey down here and me no eat nothing. But me can't call you and tell you because I'm afraid. Me a look if him a come because me no want to hear me. He will go search my phone and see say you me and call. So when time me hang up the phone, me have to go delete this so. Because I don't want to insist that me call nobody.
Yo, you know see that one there? You never see her? Blue sun skirt cause she nice, man. Oh gosh, man. So you say you never see her? Yo, glimpse her, man. I tell her say she round and why I'm not telling a lie still. But I mind that one there still, you know.
How you mean what go on? What go on, my general? You good?
Yeah man, big up yourself, man.
Big up.
Big up.
I mean you talk about a woman, like you know you just find a woman or something.
Boy, I want to tell you say, nice piece of catty come in that place a while ago.
What you said to me?
What? Spaghetti straps, floral dress, pink and hairstyle, comb one way so. Legs them thick like a
What you
brother?
said? Brown skin.
Ooh, chrome.
What you said to me?
Nice looking man.
I get her number.
You know, say she say a thing to me, but I don't know how woman stay already, you know, them just play local, giving up local resistance, you know. But me soon get to her, man, because my sister she.
Oh, she work it out.
I get to her, man. She play local hard then. But I have the right rope to just twist her up and jar in, you know.
Understand.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
so Yeah, man, go on do your thing. I shop me really far for going on, you know?
Do your thing, my bossy man. But wait, then, so you never see her?
I come from the central.
I don't come from the side there.
Yeah, man, I see her, man.
So,
Yo, give me a dragon, a Spitfire.
yeah. Like you plan to murder something.
Murder, that you call it. Alright, go on, go on mind your own business now, yeah, cause if you see I get to, you know what I mean? So how much be dragon? 400. Alright, here I know. Put it on my bill. Let me soon forward, here. Yeah. Just go and do your thing, my boss. You know what I mean? Because you see, sometimes, I like hold certain conversation. You know what I mean? Because, yeah, like right now, two-way or certain things, so I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
You understand? But big up yourself still.
Somebody trouble you.
No, man. Everything good, man. Just go and mind your business, But you get to enough.
Like somebody on a mission, so I want him. Like somebody looking you, man.
Don't see me now. I want to talk to you on a serious note. Why your phone is so close to you? You want to talk to somebody on the phone?
Mm-hmm.
So we make your phone there, so up to your phone when you're over there, so on the counter around there, so. Man, you tell me lie,
No.
Alright, you are going.
I never they talk to nobody.
Alright, you are going right now. Because you are trying to set me up, You are trying to make me look stupid. You make man give you money and I buy food and carry come my house come cook. No? How you buy food then?
My brother.
Your brother, which brother? You lie. You start telling me lie now?
My brother give me money.
Your money, your brother give you money. Don't see me now stop tell lie. Because the man tell me say him have to pay for all that what you take from the shop. When you see I go in the shop, I wonder if you have sense. I order everything and give him $100. So the man think a joke. But when him look on your face, he realize it's a serious thing. So him say, alright man, he recover it. And you walk off gone.
My brother give me money. If rich man that too. If he pay for sitting when me hard and me ask him to pay for nothing for me. And most when me gone him pay for 2 times. Because me pay for already when he pay for again. And he never asked me if he can pay for nothing for me.
What? You want him to stand up and talk?
I don't know how we are.
So what make him so interested to know what you saw?
How we are talk?
And when me say, know me attack. I eavesdrop and me hear man attack and I realize say, am I woman him talk about? Did you tell the man your name? So how man know your name?
How you say my name?
You mean so when you say your name? Dulcimina. Now you only blinking Dulcimina while left on the stretcher. Eh?
No, everybody name.
Alright, let me tell you what I'm going on. You see? Me now gonna make you go back down to that supermarket, that corner shop there. That shop there down there, so. Me now gonna make you go back down there. Because obviously, and that's where you love go to shop, so. And when you go to shop, it takes so blinking long.
How you will send me?
Me I send you, me must send you go to shop. But me do everything. Me go work and then sit and go to shop and cook and all them something there. Is that what you're trying to tell me, Dulcimina?
And you will send me and shop and then you say.
What your purpose on yourself? What your purpose? You act like an idiot. Me no want to call you idiot, but you act like an idiot.
You call me so enough time.
Yeah, because you're acting like one. I don't understand when you count. What you doing? I want to you.
My clothes are drop off for me, cause.
So hold on, you go there in a this a clothes and the clothes are drop off for you?
No, I just.
So your clothes drop off for you up there?
No, me not.
So your man can't see.
I wait, me take off cause me not eat nothing.
So me ask you again, me no business more you wait, are you a problem that? You go down there in a clothes what drop off. So you are trying to expose yourself.
In the drop off up by shop, I don't in my house it.
In your house drop off. You know, so me go start take things serious. Alright, here me go do. You want to go to your family, not true? Eh? You don't want to go to your blinking family and go stay. No. Like a son little pit in our house.
No, I want to stay with you.
You want to stay with me? That's smart. You bathe from morning?
No.
Go and go bathe.
The water gone and no, you never buy no soap.
Water catch. Go and go bathe.
I have nothing to bathe.
Go and go bathe and stop acting like you're afraid to bathe. Why would you ever go bathe? You are going to go bathe? So what? I want date you set with the man to go river go bathe.
Water gone.
No water, me say the water set for you. Me say 2 water. 1 for me, 1 for you. What you do with the water?
No water for me. I water where you use be the lift in my bathroom from morning so me fit dash you away. I mean never this way.
Where you use? Go use it. Listen to me. Me not understand why we want this relationship, you know. Because you make me feel like say me I do you something. Me I do you something? Me I do you something?
Yeah, do me feeling something.
Feelings? Cut your feelings and put it in front of you and move on with life as your life stay.
Yeah, do me heart something.
Heart? Forget about your heart. We have to do the reality. Life is a mission. It's a journey we have to take. You decide where you want to go. So you want to par with me, so you work with me. You understand me as a Dulcimina? Eh? Go be. What you think about time? Hey, put down the phone there. Put it down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And phone time out. Go be it. Never mind, sell it too. I change password from the blinking. Oh, yeah, okay.
Afternoon, Gigi.
Afternoon, what's going on now?
Alright, I know me vex, you know.
So I vex you now.
Right, I know, Gigi. Your brother have to left my sister. Because I abuse my sister and my sister refuse to accept say I abuse him. And right now, what me a pre say, you think I'm gonna reach one place where you not reach, you know.
Well, how can an argument here come to me? You know, say argument naked. You need to put on close for an argument, brethren. And not come to me with no foolishness about now, my brother. Things are gonna reach what kind of place you are talking about?
You know, so you're a woman and you should understand exactly what me I talk about. Because I'm a man and I'm abuse my sister.
In what way? My brother beat your sister, brethren?
You see?
I beat her?
You see what me think?
Kick and box her?
What me think most people misunderstand, you know. And not only beat somebody have to beat somebody if you abuse them, you know. He might verbally abuse my sister. Some things where he must say to my sister. Right now he come like a prison my sister there.
So why your sister not leave my brother alone? My brother look here, man, let me tell you something. You need to forget this straight in your head. Get it straight in your head. You see my brother? He's my only person I have in my life here. And if I complain, you can come. You see me look like my brother, mother? Look here. Let me tell you something. You can't do my brother nothing, you know? Get that straight in your head. You can't do my brother nothing.
He come like something shouldn't come to you, know. Because he come like me know so me never do get no justice. But me not say nothing, you know. Me not say nothing. But you hear about it.
Hey, wrong move you make.
Everything good, man.
Tell your sister to leave my brother alone. Out hard and bright. Tell your sister to leave my brother alone. You know, sir, you may come check. You may come check in my brother. Because me driving on the way home, me feel nervous. I couldn't even drive out back. The one Richie come here.
Richie? That for me woman, brother. Yo, boy, I don't know. Them not like me, you know? Them not like me for some reason. I don't know what me do them. Because every time when me and female woman in a little, you know, I'm not going to say altercation because, you know, in a certain things, I talk to her, come like she don't want nobody talk to her, you know. And she in one zone, she got in one zone.
Brother, you hear me I say? When you listen to me. Richie, come here, you see? And I complain to me about you.
About me?
Yes, you.
So?
The man said, you are abuse his sister.
No, wrong somebody, I know me.
Me can't, no. Abuse as me a thump her and fist her up.
No.
Eh?
Him tell me say you not lick her, but you a curse her. The most derogative words that come out of your mouth and I tell a girl.
Sister.
Oh, you fear do them there something there, brother?
Sister, you know say me is not a man for can calm down me. I'm a Mount Giant Church. You know that already. So it's like me no for say nothing then. When
You
she
Mount
talk to
Giant
me,
Church?
some never say nothing then.
Brother, you need to put on one brag upon your mouth. Look here, man. Me cuss me now, and me hungry bad and run him out of me yard now. But within myself, me feel bad. Me feel bad in myself, my brother. Let me ask you one question. You don't like one man for your handle me, so? You don't like to hear say Patrick a cuss and a galang and a go answer with me?
You can't do this, sir.
So how you want to deal with Richie's sister?
No, because when me talk, she can talk to you, know, but she don't want to talk. She just keep quiet. So if me not like something what she do, and she can say she not like it too, but she not do it. So am my fault?
But you curse her.
And
I tell her hurtful words.
The last time she called me idiot, but I threw my mouth louder than fear. I mean, look like she feel like say boy, you know, feel more threatened. But sister, you know how me steer the sister. You feel
you
I'm gonna make you
walk. Brother. You have to cut out them style now a long time. Your mother, look here, man. Your mother no grow your son. You ever hear my mother? You ever hear it to our mother? I cuss daddy so. Talk truth. So where you get them the style from? I company them where you keep. I tell you about company. Company, dirty company lead people astray. You have to stop him, my brother. There's something not nice. You know have to put your hand on a woman so you abuse them. You know? Verbal abuse. The dirty words that come out of your mouth. Control your mouth, man.
Sis, me understand what I say. I'm gonna try the better.
Control your mouth, man. Not like there's something there.
But so where Richie coming from?
Make your bike pass, man. Make your bike pass. You see everything when Richie tell me. I true you know, but I just pretend. Because at the end of the day, me not sell you out for no Mr. Body. Me, your sister looking at my face. Me, nah put nobody over you. And me not gonna tell him say you're wrong. And in face to give him no power, no strength. But me I tell you to your face. You understand you're wrong, man. But you know what I not like when you say? That's me have to run him out of my yard.
I say.
He say nah go on well with him, you know. He might go give you something if you not stop. And you say before I lead to that.
So I threat me then.
I don't know if it was a threat or if it was a warning. But I won't tell me, I tell you. So you say before I lead up to that, brother, you stop, and if you can't stop, leave the girl alone. Leave the girl alone. And you alone may have. And the last time I check see there, you know iron. And you know steel. You have flesh and blood. And the same blood will run through your vein, and the same blood will run through Richie's vein. You understand? Because you wouldn't love to know say one man accuse your sister. So where you go about that now?
Sister, you know, so this is the way I say already. So you have to worry yourself. I'm gonna try today to be a better person. But
you go try.
Alright, so
you go try.
You come to know how to do it.
What you mean? You better know, you better learn how to do it. But you don't know how to do it. Listen to me, man. You know what I say, we woman, as woman, we strength and we mouth. So sometimes when you hear she attack, do not answer. You know if you answer, you know? You can't sing. Look how you can't sing. Look on the lovely voice you have. You know sing. Sing one song. You can't just sing. Eh? You are my shining star. And she have to laugh.
Alright, sister. I never expect you to beat me so bad today, but I say I'm going to try. You hear, sir? Because I don't like how I feel inside right now.
Brother, sing one song for me.
I can't sing, I know. I'm too emotional.
Brother, sing one song for me.
Sister, I can't sing, I know. I'm too
I
emotional.
see me one time, a girl, I go on with herself. And me, I tell you, I teach you, you know. So you not learn nothing, you know hear me say.
Me, listen, man.
Sing one song for me, brother.
I can't sing, you know, sister. Later, no, sister. You're my ball, sister.
Sing one song.
Alright, sister. Later, here.
You really not sing?
I can't sing, I know. I'm emotional.
It's alright, man. It's okay, I'm gone.
Yo, Dulce, come on in, I'm not foolishness now. Come out. Me ready. You know, Tanya, go for your things, them.
Me can't come.
Dulce, me no bother the foolishness, no, man. Me nah go through this video today, now. Go for your things, man, come out, yes, man. Me ready to go.
Suppose he find me will leave and come for me and go, me no want him do me nothing, he go hurt me, because he always a threaten me.
Dulce, me no want to say the same thing, you know. Like what your man has said, you know. Because me no want to be abusive like him, you know. But right now, me no like how you act. Stop act, so man. Go on for your things and come, man.
I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? I can't do nothing. Go for your things.
Me I go fit and you carry back. That's if me I walk and him a come and see you with it.
Yeah.
Alright.
I tell you. God knows.
Oh, me no want this. I did buy it for me. I don't want it.
My God, no, me I tell you. Oh, it's rough.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just to
Go, Samina.
running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna
Go, Samina.
be two hearts running wild.
God. Do it, Samina.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The lights so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
You know, like, you look, you know. I hope I'm not slung there, so stress over the people, I know. Take care of yourself, you ease your mind. The fact that you come here, so people scared me. I not ask you to cook, I not ask you to clean house, I not ask you to do nothing. You just need to just rest your mind and get back yourself in a good frame of mind. So make you out there, so I look so.
Come night. I feel sorry for him. I think I have to go back home. You know what I'm saying? I call my phone every time. Sometimes I ignore it, they call them, but the way I call him, I have to answer it. And when I call it, I just feel sorry for him, you know? When I tell me how he love me and why I come out of the house and gone and sit. So I just feel like I want to go on back to him. God knows.
Sis, so I understand. So you feel sorry for me, and that is natural. You're in the long time. But at the end of the day, you have to be careful of them cry. Them cry is the most real. I miss when did I get we don't want to say that I miss sister still, but I mean probably the other thing is you don't really miss you the person. I just think it's really lovely you would not deal with yourself. So see, you have to know, you have to know enough. You have to know. And me can't tell you. I'm not tell you it's a big man thing. Go back to him. You don't leave. Leave it to God. If you go back to him, you're done with you. Right? Go back to the simple and tell me say you don't care for yourself. And I want a situation like this, you have to spend some time loving yourself. And you don't love yourself for all of it.
But
eh?
I know not make me not love myself because he love me and that's why he call me so much time.
This, Listen me I tell you, say, me and your brother and sister, and me love you. You understand me I say? Me love you, because if me never love you, me wouldn't come take you that inspiration.
So you don't think I'm fi go back?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't think that one person like that ever change. The behavior when he portray, that's him. Never change. That's what I say, a big woman, I'm not force you and tell you what to do. The decision is yours. You're there, so you're welcome at any time. I'm not treat you no way. I'm not force you to know. Me have food, me have internet, me have cable. Just make yourself comfortable.
But him tell me say him a go in a church and he say he love me and him a tell me he's sorry and he say he want me to come home back.
Yeah, don't talk, you know. Cause a man going to church that don't mean say then change who they are. When me don't talk, I mean now continue to beat up myself for this all day. I have enough fear worry about it because me have them. I say me have extend have to invest some money in it. So me have go down I have call and I go check for the have them and say, your decision is to stay, it's up to you. So what got
Yeah, man, you know.
why you know say yeah right man believe in certain type of investment, you know, so the company we sure you want to go buy say no little idea. I have some hug and some follow me want to kind of expand the business. So I say some the company whole lot of reason with you. They give me some insight on that when I can do so. The business bigger.
It's a fall. What?
And some hug.
But say a rasta, you know.
Yeah, but me not eat it, because I raise it.
Yo, you feel business with that sell. You say the boy rasta down so I sell them a hug. Yeah, anyway, serious business that's you know. You interested in that? Invest some business in them stuff there.
Yeah man, I want to expand the business, man.
Oh boy, not sound too bad still. But I know say boy from me I hear your little thing I go on good still, so I just want to expand. So you want a partner?
Yeah,
well, you know, if it benefit you, you don't have to more benefit me, you know, you don't know you're going business, you know.
You know where I say still, you know where I say, because you know, we don't really have the money still, so you know. Partner, give me a little time, we think about that partner, but more want to invest, more want to expand the business. But give me a little time, I think about the partner business, because when you're bridging and sometimes when you go partner up with somebody where you're bridging and the business don't work out, you could fall out, go on. So give me a little time, I think about it, man.
Well, me there so, you know, say me there so. Entirely, you just can't link me serious on the stuff. But me there, man.
But you are going. If you show you a little running street, you know. You see, from the last time when you show me what I'm going with my sister. Yeah, me kind of take things more serious and just go down the fear. Yeah, man, just go down the fear and make you know, say, yo, you know, go work out. You have to left that man there.
I'm going to tell you, man, I say me call you and tell you what I'm going because me definitely, as me say, definitely to say, the woman, boy, space out. So how she stay now because I tell her say she ain't 200, trust me.
But she look a bit better, you know, man. I just hope say she don't bother go back to him. Okay, so, no, I go already.
So just go for her and that's it, nothing?
Yeah, I just tell her to pack up her things and already.
You want to put too little on the boy?
No, I never really take it to that level because at the end of the day,
you know, then there's no trouble.
Yeah, and you can't fight fire with fire sometimes. You have to just, you know?
Yeah, man. You know, say, to be honest with you, this abuse thing, man, a dangerous something, man. You know, put your hand on a woman in a bar.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Some morning me try to call you. Me left so much voice note for you. You really do this to me?
Why you call me so much time for? And you take disadvantage of me.
No, I never do that. You change. You're a new man. You have a church. You understand me? I say?
You change.
You change totally. I love you.
I don't believe you say you change, you too lie.
You remember them days when you used to sing for you? And you used to smile for me? You change.
The chat about you go to church. I don't believe you from me know you never go to church yet. You too lie.
Me start because you know, me even talk to my sister. And my sister tell me say, I need to understand myself. And don't disrespect a woman and make you feel more less than, you know, that me I feel nervous, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, me I cry.
You know, so when you cry, me go feel sorry for you. That's why you do it.
I will not cry.
And you don't love me. You're too wicked.
I love you.
You love me for choo-choo?
I love you for choo-choo.
Say God no.
God no.
Say it again. Say God no.
God no.
Oh, me love you too.
I want you.
You want me?
I need you.
What do what? Me can't leave my brother yard.
Listen, man, I come for you. I just want to see you. I miss your energy, I miss your space.
You call me back to do the same thing to me again or worse.
No, I don't do that. Because when I see the dress on the ground, I know you're gone. You drop on the ground and ball me and knock.
I didn't want it because you did buy give me my brother, so I fit dash it back down and ground you.
Your brother said that, but maybe it's my brother and he say himself, but me just want to know why.
Not talk nothing about my brother because me will not come nowhere with you.
I'm not talking about me, I say, your brother and my brother too.
And you tell me say you never like him, now you chat about my brother and your brother. So you want me to come back?
No, me have to understand life itself.
So you change and go to God church and make me and you married?
Yes, me and married. I love you. You are my sunshine, my very sunshine. You make me happy.
What's the meaning?
When you hug up me, make my brother come see you.
What's the meaning? You talk about your brother come. Yeah, my woman, you know.
My brother don't want you in a yard. That me dey talk. He don't want you over here because you say him no fi come and feel your yard.
I love you.
Out the gate you should have stay and come.
I couldn't imagine to stay out the gate so far from you.
So where you come on my yard for?
For you.
You want me to come back to come live with you for choo-choo?
Because I'm not going to be the monster that I was. I change.
So where you step on the phone and choo?
Everything true and
Are you going to marry me for choo?
I'm going to afford to marry right now. I'm going to do it the right way.
Oh. So I come here want me come with you now?
Left the back then, I go buy
you. I call me brother and tell him say you come to me, I go go in now.
No man, just when we reach from the yard, then we just settle. And you call him and together, we call him together, we talk to him. I buy you new clothes and nice stuff. See all them joke towards me again. You are my sunshine, my very sunshine.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
subscribe yet.